Hello everyone, we are at video number 3 and in this one I'm gonna talk about X Premium. Is it actually worth it? In one word, yes. And I don't have any kind of partnership with X to say that, but the day I actually purchased X Premium, I saw a big jump on my reach. And not only my reach, but also my amount of followers. And that was funny because like 2 minutes after purchasing X Premium, I had 2 new followers directly. So yes, it's actually worth it if you're taking X seriously. You will get a boost for your replies, meaning that your reply will actually rank higher on people's posts, and you will see later that replies is a part of the strategy of this course. Plus, I think it pushes your post as well. It's not mentioned directly on the pricing page, but if we look at my feed, for example, we can see that all the people appearing here are verified, or almost all of them. So what I advise you to do is to take the premium plan at $10 per month. That's the plan that I have currently, and I had those results using this plan. And honestly, I don't think you can get similar results if you keep the free plan.